Are you tired of copying and pasting foreign emails into Google Translate? Learn how to translate any email directly in Gmail in under 30 seconds. I'll show you the exact steps to translate an email using Gmail's built-in tool. It's simpler than you think. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then click on the email you want to translate. Now, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the email. From the drop-down menu, click on Translate. A translation box will appear at the top of your email. Click on the gear icon. Then click on the second box and choose the translation language. Finally, click on the language you want to translate this email to. Gmail will translate it immediately, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.